Grand Rising MBU family. What's good, family? Salute to all the traders, investors, and builders stacking bricks in silence while the world panics in noise. It's your boy M.B.U. representing MBU, Moneybag University, where we teach you how to trap profits, not chase them. Listen up, because what you're about to hear isn't your everyday market talk. The market sold off hard, red candles everywhere, panic setting in, that gut-twisting feeling that makes most traders fold. But here's the twist. This is exactly what the wealthy wait for. Every time fear floods the market, opportunity hides behind it. You could have seen it coming miles away if you knew how to read the fear and greed index, if you knew how to time patience with power, if you knew how to profit from both sides instead of panicking on one. So buckle in, because I'm about to break down how to use fear as fuel, how to buy time like an assassin with leaps, and how to play the game most people don't even realize they're in. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. This is real education for real people trying to learn how to think, not just react. All right, let's cook. Look at that first chart. You see it? That big red question mark climbing the line. That's the market asking how much longer greed can keep running before fear takes over. The market's like a pendulum swinging from extreme fear to extreme greed and back again. You can't time it perfectly, but you can prepare for it perfectly. Most people see red candles and panic. Smart traders see setups. The fear and greed index isn't just a chart. It's a mirror showing how emotional the crowd really is. You see fear climbing? That's when your patience should grow. You see greed maxed out? That's when you quietly prepare your puts. Stocks don't move in one direction forever. What goes up has to breathe. What sells off has to reset. Now let's talk about market manipulation. The market isn't always fair. The game is rigged, not against you, but against impatience. When you see candles spike down fast, that's not random. That's smart money shaking weak hands, triggering stop losses and grabbing discounts. You ever sell on fear and then watch the stock reverse right after? That's not coincidence. That's manipulation 101. They use news, fear, emotion, and impatience as tools, so expect it. When the market tanks, you already know what to do. Buy time, position smart, and stay patient. Tesla, TSLL, XRP, ETH, all dropping. Some of y'all looked at your screens and said, "Oh my God, everything's falling." Me, I smiled, because we've been at 52-week highs way too long. You can't live at the top forever. You have to climb down to build another peak. Instead of panicking, ask yourself, did you have puts ready? Did you have time on your calls? Were you DCAing smart or chasing hype? If you had time and a plan, this sell-off didn't scare you. It paid you. That fear and greed meter is your emotional GPS. When the needle pushes into extreme greed, it's like your gaslight flashing red before a breakdown. That's your cue to prepare, not panic. If you can read emotion, you can beat motion. Trading isn't about prediction. It's about positioning. When fear takes over, accumulate quality. When greed dominates, protect capital. That's how the MBU family moves. Strategic, not emotional. Picture that tug of war, green versus red, dollar signs flying, the ground cracking open. That's the market right now. Bulls and bears pulling for control. Both can win if they understand time. When bulls get too confident, bears prepare. When bears get too heavy, bulls reload. That's the rhythm, the heartbeat of the market. Your job isn't to pick sides. It's to understand timing and profit from both directions. Time equals power. Patience equals profit. Discipline equals freedom. That's not just a slogan. That's survival. Most traders fail not because they picked the wrong stock, but because they picked the wrong time. You can be right too early and the market will still punish you. That's why we preach leaps, long-term options that give you breathing room. A leap gives your trade oxygen. You're saying, I don't need it to hit today. I just need it to hit eventually. Patience builds profit and character. If you can't sit still while your trade matures, the market will humble you until you learn. Leaps let you buy time. Time keeps you calm. Calm lets you think. Clear thinking equals smart decisions equals more profits. Most people want to double overnight. I want to triple my patience and let time do the lifting. That's the MBU way. Slow money becomes strong money. Fear is the real trap. It makes you sell what you should hold and hold what you should sell. Fear turns logic into emotion. But fear is predictable. And if it's predictable, it's profitable. Every panic is profit disguised as pain. So instead of saying the market's crashing, say the market's resetting and I'm reloading. Roll up that big green MBU profit truck. We don't chase stocks. We trap them, pack them, and haul profits straight to the family bank. That's not a slogan. It's a lifestyle. We set traps. We wait, we collect, we store. When profits come, we haul them home to the family bank. That's the fortress where cash flow grows. And since you're here learning, hit that like and subscribe right now. Don't wait till the next bull run to get educated. MBU's mission is to make sure you never have to chase again. That Tesla comic? Legendary. She's mad when it's bearish, crying when it's sideways, smiling when it's bullish, just like most traders. And that's why emotions ruin accounts. You can't treat the market like your ex. Treat it like a business partner. Sometimes she's moody, sometimes distant, but if you stay consistent, she'll reward you. Tesla is volatile, powerful, emotional, but if you understand her patterns, she'll pay you. That photo of me smiling in the hoodie, nobody cares, work harder. That's MBU energy. This isn't about hype. It's about helping people build skill sets that pay for life. We don't need luck when we have discipline. If you're tired of guessing and losing, come join the family. We'll teach you to trade with confidence, stack consistent wins, and build your own family bank. This channel exists to educate and empower. None of this guarantees profit. Results come from patience, discipline, and education. If you can handle that truth, welcome home. And since we're talking family, hit that like and subscribe again because you're officially part of the MBU movement. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. You can't pray for profit and prepare for panic. Preparation separates consistent traders from complainers. You can't expect to win if you only study when it's convenient. Preparation gives power, patience multiplies it, and time proves it. That green image says it all. Join the Discord family. You've seen the wins, the breakdowns, but the real secret is community. Trading alone can be dangerous. Trading with the right people is powerful. Our Discord isn't just signals, it's mindset, faith, and financial literacy. We talk options, shares, leverage, taxes, family bank strategy, everything you need for real freedom. So again, that's discord./HVC8MUMP. Come learn, grow, and lock arms with other believers in financial stewardship. That fear and greed meter again, let it sink in. Every time the world says panic, whisper patience. Every time they say sell, think study. Every time they chase highs, prepare for the reset. The market doesn't hate you, it's testing your faith. Buy low, sell high is the law of wealth. Simple, but few follow it. Fear and greed make people buy high and sell low. Don't be most people. Be the one who studies patience, waits for opportunity, and strikes with precision. The market doesn't need prediction, it needs preparation. Focus on one stock, master its rhythm. Stop chasing noise. Focus creates consistency. Consistency creates cash flow. When the market hits extreme greed again, you'll be ready, not reactive. That's real power. That's MBU. If today's red day scared you, remember, it was a lesson. Stocks can't go up forever. But those who stay calm, keep time, and follow the plan always rise with the next wave. You're not here to chase, you're here to trap. You're not here to guess, you're here to grow. And if nobody told you today, you're exactly where you're supposed to be.